Okay, we're going to talk about the monthly generator inspection and testing. First, you push right here to pop the cover, remove it. The dipstick is right here. I've already checked it. There is no overflow bottle on the radiator, and it's hot right now, so I can't like stick my finger in there and check it. The fuel gauge is right here. Mouse poison's here. It needs a new one, and this all should be shop vac out of here. Then come around to this cabinet. Note the green light should be on here. It should say auto, and then the number of hours, which is a bunch of zeros, and 47.8. Should write down that 47.8 number. You're going to come to this middle button here and hold it there. It is now preheating the glow plugs because this is a diesel. Probably takes about 15 seconds. Okay, so you put your covers back on so it has the proper airflow for cooling. So the air flows through here and out that way like it's designed to do. We're going to let it run for half an hour. We'll allow it to run for half an hour. Meanwhile, while you're waiting, go clean something, go do something else. Okay, half an hour's up. Come back and open it. Push the red stop button or off button. It will say not in auto. You have to push the green button. Now it's gone to auto. It says auto right there. Put the cover back on and you're done.